friends, Running Kimono here, and even before we dive into the awesome deals for the 13th to the 19th over at Walgreens, we're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. Well, of all of the apps to save money, this one is my favorite. It's so easy to use. You can use it at McDonald's or get your groceries, places where you're not doing your extreme couponing. You're still collecting points towards gift cards. It's that easy. So guys, if you've never heard of this app, today is the day to download it. Use my referral code, and when you photograph your first receipt, an Egg McMuffin that you bought 2 days ago, you're going to be given 2,000 points, which is $2. They often have free items, like for this plant-based sausage, and they usually sneak them in the weeks leading up to Christmas. So be on the lookout for that on your discoveries page. And gift cards, $3 to $5, that's where they start at. So it's a very, very easy app to use. And if you're an extreme couponer, you're probably sitting on 7,000 receipts. Photograph them tonight, earn some points towards gift cards. A little bit of Christmas shopping I did on the cheap, thanks to the Fetch Rewards app, is allposters.com. I ordered my husband a couple of these gorgeous state park or national park posters, and they are 50% off with a Fetch Rewards gift card. I have half of his office decorated now on the cheap. So if you're interested for new signups, check out the link in the notes, and don't forget to use my referral code. Okay, guys, this is not a Walgreens deal, but a deal you should be doing because we're all looking for free antibacterial wipes. This pack of 30 at Big Lots until Sunday the 13th is free. All you need to have is your store card. The coupon is automatically loaded, one per store card. Go and get the pureed 30 count pack of wipes, and then you get the cashier to scan your store card and it's free. They usually have a section right at the front of the store with hand sanitizer and wipes. There's probably a big display of it, or perhaps at checkout too. Usually whenever there's a free item, they tend to put those items right at the front. But in the height of the pandemic, this is something that all of us need. So go and get your pack of free wipes. Okay, so looking at the cover of the flyer, this is from the 13th to the 19th, and the gifts of the week that are 50% off, the Melissa and Doug kids' toys made out of wood, that's usually $20, are down to $9.99. We have some number 7 beauty and a couple other things, including this. So this is the second week of this. I call it Santa Booster, but whatever you want to call it. You spend $25, you get a $5 in Walgreens cash on your card. You got to pay cash for the balance of this. You either load it digitally or get the cashier to scan it at checkout. A couple more ground rules. Again, it's that window of the 13th to the 19th. For example, if you're spending $25 in merch, and yes, you can use coupons with that, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So it works with manufacturer coupons and register rewards, but not the IVC coupons or a Walgreens coupon. That will be exempted of the $25 price point. So don't forget about that one, guys. So the first deal that we have is a complete freebie. As you can see, one single can of Red Bull is $2.29, and we have a coupon for $2.29 off. I think this might be a store coupon because it doesn't say manufacturer under it. But hey, free Red Bull is better than no Red Bull. How to find this coupon is just to search the item Red Bull, 2 words, and then the coupon should probably just pop up. And that's how I was able to find it. So yeah, load that coupon right away, guys. So this is definitely going to be the week of very inexpensive razors. As you can see, we have this ladies Venus razor from $9.99 to $12.99. Let's look for one for $9.99 on the nose. A couple weeks back, we had this $7 digital coupon. So type in Venus razor and then see what pops up below, and then you'll know what digital coupons you might be able to use with this deal. Okay, so a razor at $9.99, boom. Minus the $7 digital manufacturer, you're left with paying $2.99 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making this free, plus a $1.01 money maker. Now, if you want to use some of your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so now we have a little deal on some disposable razors by both Gillette and Venus. Buy one, get one 50% off. $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. How very nice is that? So these are the digital coupons that you need, a $4 for the men's disposable and a $4 for the ladies disposable. Looking at the math, grabbing one of each, remember it's on a BOGO 50% off, they're like $8 and some change. That's $12.43. Subtracting $10 of digital manufacturers for both the men and the women, $5 a pop, so that's how I'm getting 10. You're left with paying $2.43 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making this free plus a $1.56 moneymaker. If you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so this is kind of an interesting deal. $19.99 for one of these Gillette Pro Shield razors. They say they have a $4 coupon, but there was a $10 coupon floating around a couple weeks ago. So hopefully you loaded that one, and then a $5 register reward on your next purchase. So just to show you guys, this is what the digital coupon looks like. It's a $10 off. So hopefully you loaded that. And yes, that is in fact a manufacturer. There is an IVC, but that's for 6 count or larger. So grabbing one of these Gillette cartridges for $19.99. Subtracting that $10 digital coupon, you're left with paying $9.99 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $4.99 for all these, razor blades. If you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so now we have a little dental care deal, $3.99. There will be a 5 off of 3 digital coupon showing up on Sunday morning, and then a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of these. So either the Crest or the Oral-B, it is your choice. So grabbing 3 Crests, that's $11.97. Subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital coupon, you're left with paying $6.97 out of pocket. Getting back a $5 register reward. We're looking at $1.97 for the 3 or 65 cents for each. If you want to photograph your receipt and send it off to P&G Good Every Day, I haven't been really fancy about that site for the last couple of months because they ran out of gift cards, which was weird at the end of the summer. But for whatever reason, I was just fooling around last week and I uploaded a couple and I got a $5 Starbucks gift card. So I guess they have gift cards back, which was kind of bizarre, and it's working again. So don't go too crazy, but just upload your receipt. Why not? See how many points you can collect. Okay, so now the Charmin. I know this one might be a tall order. You might not be able to find the toilet paper at your store, or they might just limit you to 2. And if that's the case, sir, you cannot do this deal. But if they're just like, take whatever you want, we love you, grab 3, do this deal. Why not? So these guys are $6.99, a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of them. Grab 3 of them for $20.97. You know what I would do? Those Godiva $2.50 register rewards, throw 3 of them in. That's $7.50 off. Also throw $10 of Walgreens cash in there. You're left with paying $3.47 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward. Take a photo of that receipt and send it off to P&G Good Every Day as well. I mean, this is just a fire deal. Okay, so I'm just really about stocking up on paper products right now. So the Scott is buy one, get one 50% off. So you don't have to scan an IVC. So 2 of these would be $7.50. And the Kleenex is in fact included too. So I would grab 2 of them. So that would be $7.50. I would try to use one of those Godiva register rewards and then $5 of Walgreens cash, pay the tax. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. This is part of Kimberly-Clark, the company that's Scott and Kleenex. You'll get extra points for that with the Fetch app. Okay, so now we have a little Nexus deal. $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. Operative word of that breakdown is the word spend. Thus, you must pay cash for the balance. It's like one of those, you gotta pay the cash to earn the cash. So that's what we're going to do specifically for this deal. And because this stuff is so expensive, we're definitely going to get the cashier to scan this booster with the deal. Why not get $15 back? And we're going to need 2 of these from the Retail Me Not of December the 6th. So grabbing 2 of the hairsprays are like $13 and some change. That's $27.98. Get the cashier to scan that little Santa booster. Present 2 $5 coupons from the Retail Me Not of December the 6th, shaving $10 off right there. You're left with paying $17.98 cash out of pocket, getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, 5 for the booster, 10 for the Nexus deal. And then photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app and see what you might get back. $2.98 for the 2. That's really great considering that there's like $13.99 for 1 hairspray. Okay, guys, honorable mention time, and there's a lot because I have to wait and see on Sunday what digital coupons show up to play with some more of these deals for matchups. If you have a baby, they have this little offer of $35 you would spend and get back a $5 on your next purchase. Why not bring it to 40 and then get $15 back with that Santa booster in this? And then with digital coupons, hopefully there's some great ones on Sunday, and I'll do a matchup for you on the diapers. And this one, I think that 5 off of 3 is the same one that I just showed you earlier in the video. And then there's $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. This stuff is a little bit more expensive, but if there's maybe a 7 off of 3 or some other magic, maybe we can make something happen. Maybe not. I don't know. And another dental deal that's pretty good is this one. Although Colgate has to give us some high value coupons because this is 50% back right now, and we do not pay for this stuff. We get it for free with coupons. So I'm wondering what the digitals will be. Along with the Gillette King C, they had a bunch of digital coupons, and a lot of them have expired. And I'm not going to send you guys out to do a deal with a $2 coupon because I cannot get behind paying like $9 or $10 for some Gillette King C because that just seems a little bit too rich for my taste. With the Secret Old Spice, buy 4 of these, get back $4 in Walgreens cash on a BOGO 40% off. Will there be coupons? Will there be IBOTTA rebates? Will there be some magic? That's the question. We really need something to pop up to make this an enticing deal. There's nothing right now. Same with the Olay and Old Spice. Now, they should really give us like a 10 off of 4. They used to do that all the time, but they've been friggin' stingy. If we can line something like that for Old Spice or Olay, my gosh, this would be a fantastic deal, especially with that booster, the Santa booster. And then again, this is at the front of the flyer. We have those Melissa and Doug toys that are $20 down to $9.99. Little earbuds, wireless earbuds for $14.99, and the number 7 kit for $68 for $33.99. Wow. And Stella Artois and Heineken, $12.99. You'd pay that out of pocket. You can't use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay down alcohol. You get a $5 mail-in rebate. After you get that back from the manufacturer, it's $7.99, and you have to physically send them like your UPC, your receipt, and the little mail-in rebate. But $7.99 for a 12-pack, not the worst deal on earth. Okay, and then 3 for $9.99. That is a price I love to pay for Coca-Cola. My husband really likes that, and close to Christmas, I usually like to stock up on that, especially if there's a winter storm or we're just stuck in the home for a couple of days. He always loves that, so that's a really great price point. And then this little deal, buy 2 of the Domino's gift cards, Domino's, and then get back a $10 Walgreens gift card. It's usually $2.15, and then you get that back. So spend $30 on Domino's gift cards, get back a $10 Walgreens gift card. So that's really good. So you would pay $30 out of pocket and then get that $10 gift card. So that's one I'm definitely going to try on Sunday. Okay, so we have the Planters, $5.99 for a little 3-pack, and there's a $2 digital coupon, so it'll drop it down to $3.99, so a great little stocking stuffer or a gift, not the worst thing. And these Nature's Wick candles, they are fancier. They're usually $13.99. Down to $9.99, so a little bit of savings right there. They come with a wooden wick, have a more pure burn. If you're really into the candle community, you know about that. So if you've always been wondering about these candles, hey, throw in $10 of Walgreens cash and get yourself one for Christmas. And we have some hand sanitizer on a buy one, get one free. I'm thinking that a lot of hand sanitizer in the next couple of months, if things get less crazy, will be reduced down in cost tremendously. So that is one item keep a watchful eye out for. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.